and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. The start of a new year is always a quiet moment to pause and think about what lies ahead. For Gradient Imaging, 2026 will be about exploring more small towns and capturing the aspects that give each one its character. Before we get into what's ahead, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has subscribed and followed along. It means a lot to see people interested in these small town stories, and I'm looking forward to sharing more this year. Some of these places are tiny with just a few houses, a single church, or a small community hall. Even the smallest towns have stories visible in the way the streets are arranged, the buildings that have endured, and the subtle details that often go overlooked. It's those details, the pattern of a road, the layout of a handful of structures, or a lone grain elevator that reveal the character of a place. This year, I want to spend more time noticing those subtle aspects. Some towns you will have probably heard of, yet there's always something new to notice when you look closely. Others will be quieter, rarely visited, or even tucked away, offering glimpses into Alberta's rural history. The focus isn't on capturing everything, but on seeing each place fully, paying attention to what makes it distinct. 2026 is about taking time to notice each town in its own way and sharing what makes it unique. I don't know which towns will appear first, but the plan is to explore multiple communities while the weather allows, and then share them thoughtfully as the year unfolds. There's something quietly exciting about knowing there are communities out there, some big, some tiny, but each holding traces of the past and small hints of everyday life that often go unnoticed. This year is about capturing that, about sharing those moments, and about continuing the journey, one quiet street, one overlooked building, and one small town at a time. If you want to encourage this journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I'll be sharing new small town stories every week this year, weather permitting, of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They're going to want to see this. And you'll find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.